In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Claude AI subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your cancellation with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Claude AI. Sign in with the same account you used to start your subscription. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right account helps avoid confusion later, especially if you use multiple logins for work and personal use. Once you're in, look for the Settings area. You'll usually find this by clicking your profile picture or a small gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Click that, then choose Settings to open your account controls. Inside Settings, navigate to the Billing section. This is where Claude AI shows your plan details, such as your current subscription, renewal date, and payment method. If you don't see billing or it looks like there's no active plan, double-check that you're signed in to the correct account. It can also mean the subscription is already canceled or managed by an organization, but for most personal plans, billing will be visible here. On the billing page, look for your subscription details. You should see a subscription icon or a button labeled something like Subscription or Manage. Click that to open the subscription controls. From here, choose Cancel. The site will typically prompt you to confirm your choice, and you may be asked for a brief reason. Read the confirmation text carefully so you know when access will end. In many cases, you'll keep access through the end of your current billing period, and charges will stop on the next cycle. After confirming, wait for the success message on the page. It's a good practice to take a quick screenshot of that confirmation or check your email for a cancellation receipt. Keeping a record makes it easy to reference later if you need it. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the option to cancel on the billing page, make sure you're not viewing a team or workspace account that manages billing separately. And if you originally subscribed through a mobile app store, your billing may be tied to that platform, so your cancellation options on the website might be limited. That's all there is to it. You've gone to Claude AI, opened Settings, navigated to Billing, and used the subscription icon to cancel. If you change your mind later, you can return to billing and reactivate a plan whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.